Hello everyone. So we have this push mower Mower. I've got it as a partial sale. I was buying some lawn mower that I've sold a lot of while ago, and now I just decided to try fix that. I think there is some gas in it. We just want to try to start it. Let me see if there is any oil. Yep, and it actually looks fresh. Okay, it doesn't want to start. I'm gonna take some parts off. The carburetor is so dirty. So we want to figure out how to take it off. But I think first we have to take this cover off. Alright, it's almost off. I had to do some manipulations. So, let's see. Now we have to take the fuel tank off. Looks like it just slides up. Okay. We have to disconnect the fuel line, which is not easy, but here we go. Alright. Let's see, how do I take this carb off? It's like it just slides off. Okay, what we got? I just sprayed with the parts cleaner on outside. Looks like someone was working on it. Oh, fuel coming out. Interesting, it's coming out from the bolt hole. Okay, 7mm. Okay. Not sure if it opens like that. Oops. Yep. It is. Let me get rid of this fuel. Now, let's take this off. I don't know which way. My finger won't fit. Okay. And this is probably the reason it's all clogged. Let me try to spray something. Now you can see a daylight through. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna go and clean that, clean this, and clean all this inside. So, all right, I just cleaned all that. Let's put it back. I'm not sure how far it's supposed to go, but I think just like that. Now we have to install this. I think we can just slide it through here. Put that in. Right, this is how it works. So that's all. We just gotta put it back. I think I'm gonna add some WD-40. Now I'm just gonna put these bolts in, screws in. Okay, let's put it back. just like that. Now what I want to do, I want to take all the fuel out of this tank, because you know it's a old one. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Let's put the tank back on. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be. Okay. Let's see. It goes like that. Okay. Okay. Let's put some fuel in. Oops. That's enough. Now, gotta put this on. Okay, let's try. To start it. Alright, as you see, it started immediately. It's even cutting the grass. But we have to, so what I want to do first, I want to take the blade off or sharp it on place. So let's see. Alright, I was just able to sharp it without removing. I forgot to stop recording. Let's put this cover back on. Okay, let's test it again. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the highest level possible. So this one. Let's try again. Okay, let's give it a little wash. Okay, this was just a quick and easy tune-up or repair, you call it, but it works now. So I'm gonna just make some pictures and post it on a Facebook. So